Today I'm going to show you how to download Instagram's data. Ladies and gentlemen, what we want to do to download our Instagram data is go to our profile on the right hand side at the bottom of the screen. From here, you're going to go to the top, tap on the three lines, and you'll see a couple options. Now, what specifically we are looking for is to get to our account center, which will be able to manage all of our accounts within your profile. So right at the top you will see account center, and what you want to do is look for your information and permissions, and here you will say export your information. It will take a few seconds for this just to load depending on how much information there actually is on your profile. You can now go ahead and say create export. From here, you will have a couple options, so you can choose a profile in which you would like to export your data. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to choose this one here, and then you can choose whether to export to a device or to an external service, which be some kind of cloud service. I'm going to go export to device. I'd like to download it directly to my device. Here, you will have to just confirm your export. So you can customize your information. You can change the date range, the format, and the media quality. And once you've gone into all of this, at the bottom, you can go ahead and tap on Start Export, and you'll get it in whatever format you've chosen here on your device. Now, HTML will allow you to easily view your data offline on your computer. This format, the JSON format, will allow you to import your data into another site or app if you would like to export just to import again.